I'm Dave Bolton. I'm the Deputy Programme Director for the Business Management Programme with responsibility for the third year specifically. The Business Management Programme is probably one of the most diverse that I've ever come across in the HE sector. There's a single first year, which basically means that everybody studies the same modules, so everybody is up to the same standard by the time they look to specialise in the second year. That means that there isn't the expectation that students have an A-level in mathematics, an A-level in business studies, because we sort that out from the beginning. In the first year, as I said, everybody has the same modules to do, so that includes the basics of managing people, the basics of finance, basics of maths and stats for business. There's also a professional skills module which helps students with group work, minute taking, all of the other skills that are necessary from a business management perspective. The second year then they get to specialise in whatever the pathways that they want to look at. And then the third year they get the opportunity to do a final year project. So all of the final year students do the final year project that will allow them to have the experience of working in the real world, which has massive opportunities from an employability perspective. A number of different things. So some recent students that spring to mind. We've one student that went to work with Marks and Spencer's and was actually managing a store on a part-time basis while he was studying here. Went out to work with them in Hong Kong, and now at 21, 22 is currently the youngest manager that Marks and Spencer's have. We've also had students that have gone on to start their own businesses as well, successfully in a number of different areas. We've had students that have gone to work for large organisations such as Tata Steel, Aldi and Jaguar Land Rover. I think the main thing is to try and get as much experience as they can with things such as volunteering. There's an awful lot of group work in the business management programme in terms of final year project and a number of other modules that are currently on the books with the business management programme. So having experience of working in groups, leading groups in certain circumstances as well is really beneficial. In general, come to an open day, come to one of our sessions, see what we have to offer.